I lived most of my life was in Korea, South Korea, where it's very competitive. I was struggling. I was a struggling student. I wasn't really good at studying. So
Mm-hmm.
I wasn't getting along with the kids. So my mom and dad asked me to go to Australia where my auntie lives. And when I first saw you guys' webinar, I just couldn't resist. I've purchased so many different courses,
Mm-hmm.
but the way you guys talked about this program was just totally different. When I first joined, I had the success immediately. So I got like 23% click-through rate, and I was
Wow.
getting like more like 200% ROI,
Nice.
and with my first image, and I was
Oh,
like,
great.
I just can't believe this. From like $100, like within like 2 weeks, I was scaling up to 7,000. My best day so far is $7,218. Yeah, something like that.
Woo!
And I'm gonna travel around Europe with my family. So I'm gonna invite my mom and dad. We're gonna go around Europe. I can pay their flights like a business class flight with the credit card points that I
Yeah,
gain.
definitely.
Yeah.